Hi, I'm Stephen Washington, and I teach a combination of Qigong and Pilates that I call Core Qigong. In this video, I will be teaching you cat paw neck massage, which relieves stress and neck tension. Remember, listen to your body, do what you can, and don't do what you can't. If anything feels uncomfortable, stop and modify the movement to suit your body. Okay, let's get started. So we hold a lot of tension in the neck and shoulders and upper back, and I love this gentle massage of the neck. So like cats, mama cats grab hold of the nape of the neck of their kittens. You're going to do that with the palm of your hand. So you're going to hold and squeeze, grab the back of your neck, and then do the same thing with the other hand. So you're just grabbing and squeezing, gathering these muscles that literally keep you upright all day. They can become tight and tense. And gently massage. You could even close your eyes if you'd like to. As you massage gently and breathe. Beautiful. And relax your arms down.